Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you get free Ethereums and Bitcoin drops into your Trust wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know how, you just simply have to open your Trust wallet application, and after that simply unlock it. And now after unlocking your Trust wallet, you just simply have to, and after opening the Trust wallet, you just simply have to tap to this discover button at the bottom right corner. Tap into there, and after that you will get to see this latest section into here. Now into the latest section, you will get many drops at many times. You just simply have to check this section every day into your Trust wallet, and then you will get different opportunities into different drops. For completing the first task into here, it gives $50,000 of Jeton airdrop, and the second it will giving, and into the second it is giving swap USDT to Ton now. So it means you will get different type of benefits by doing simple task into your Trust wallet, and this way you can easily earn many kind of benefits and sometimes free Bitcoin and Ethereum also. Just simply check it daily and claim your benefits. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.